Picture the same house 20 years from now. Kids grew up on this floor. A dog and a cat lived their whole lives on it. Juice got spilled, toys got dropped, claws dragged across it every single day. Out of the 4 floors most people actually choose: vinyl plank, laminate, hardwood, and tile. One of them still looks great after all that. And one of them quietly fell apart around year 6, and the owner never saw it coming. So today, I am putting all 4 through the 20-year test. Kids and pets and real life, 4 rounds, and I am keeping score. Stay to the end, because the floor that loses is the one salespeople push hardest, and the floor that wins is probably not the one you would guess. Meet the 4. Vinyl plank, or LVP, the plastic floor that took over the last decade. Laminate, the original wood look, a printed photo over a dense fiberboard core. Hardwood, the real thing, solid or engineered wood. And tile, porcelain or ceramic, basically fired clay. Same wood look from 3 feet away on most of them. Completely different lives once a family moves in. Round 1. Round 1. Water, spills, pet accidents, the mop bucket. This is the round that ends careers. Tile wins outright. The porcelain body is waterproof. The only weak spot is the grout lines, and sealed grout handles that. LVP is right behind it, a waterproof plastic core that shrugs off a spill sitting overnight. Hardwood is nervous here. Standing water makes real wood cup and warp, and a pet accident soaks in and leaves a dark stain that often needs sanding to remove. But laminate is where the 20-year test gets brutal. That dense fiberboard core acts like a sponge. A spill left even 30 minutes can swell the plank permanently, the edges puff up, and here is the killer: it does not go back. There is no fixing a swelled laminate plank, you replace it, and it does not take a flood to do it. A dog bowl that dribbles all day, a leaky potted plant, a kid who forgets to wipe up, that slow drip is enough over a few years. In a house with kids and pets, water is not an if, it is a Tuesday. Round 1, tile, with LVP a close second, and laminate already in serious trouble. Round 2, scratches, dents, and claws. Now it flips, and this one surprises people. Tile is the hardest surface of the 4, basically scratch-proof. A dog could sprint across it for a decade and leave nothing. It has one weakness though: tile is hard and brittle, so while it will not scratch, drop a heavy pan from counter height and you can crack a tile outright, and that cracked tile is a real headache to match and swap out years later. LVP holds up well too, as long as you buy a real wear layer, 20 mil or more for a house with pets, and it resists claw marks nicely. Now, the surprise. Laminate is actually excellent at scratches. That hard printed surface resists claw marks better than almost anything, sometimes better than vinyl. So laminate wins around. But watch the catch, because it defines the whole floor. Laminate resists scratches until it chips, and when it chips, it is permanent. You cannot fix it. And hardwood? Hardwood scratches and dents the easiest of all 4. Claws and furniture mark it up, and honestly, Consumer Reports rated real wood poorly on dents and wear. So hardwood loses this round on the surface. Hold that thought, because hardwood is about to win the round that matters most. Round 3, the 20-year question. How long does it last, and can you fix it? Here is where the whole video turns, because a floor is not just how it looks on day 1, it is what happens after 2 decades of abuse. LVP and laminate are replace-only floors. You cannot sand them, you cannot refinish them. When the wear layer is gone or a plank swells, that plank is done, and realistically you are looking at 15 to 25 years before the whole floor needs replacing. Tile is a monster here. Porcelain can last 50 to 100 years. It basically outlives you, as long as the grout is maintained. But hardwood has the one trick none of the others can do. You can sand it down and refinish it back to brand new, roughly 4 to 7 times over its life. Every scratch, every dent, every stain we talked about in round 2, gone, sanded away, like it never happened. That is why a solid hardwood floor can last 50, 80, 100 years and get handed down. Walk into a house built in the 1920s and the original oak is often still there, sanded back to life a few times across a century, outliving the people who laid it. Nothing else on this list does that. Consumer Reports measures how tough a surface is on day 1, and by that measure, hardwood looks weak. But it does not measure the one thing only hardwood can do: heal itself back to new. Round 3, hardwood, and it is not close. Laminate finishes last again, because water already killed it and you cannot refinish a printed photo. Round 4, Comfort and cost. What it feels like and what it takes from your wallet. Two quick things that decide real buyers. Comfort first. Tile is cold and hard underfoot. A kid falls on tile and it hurts, a dropped plate shatters, and in winter it is freezing without heating underneath. Hardwood, LVP, and laminate all feel warmer and a little softer, better for a house where people actually sit on the floor. Now cost, all in, installed, and these are approximate and swing by region. Laminate is among the cheapest, roughly $3 to $11 a square foot installed. LVP sits close, about $4 to $10. Hardwood is the priciest, around $8 to $18 for solid, less for engineered, and tile lands around $6 to $15, with most of that being the brutal labor we broke down in the install video. So the toughest floors, tile and hardwood, are also the two that hit your wallet hardest. There is no free lunch. You pay for longevity either upfront or later. So here's the verdict, and it depends entirely on your house. If you have kids and pets and you want one floor that just handles everything for 20 years without drama, LVP is the pragmatic winner. Waterproof, scratch-resistant with a good wear layer, warm enough, affordable, and if one plank dies, you swap it. No sanding, no specialist, a handy afternoon. It does not add resale value the way real wood does, and it will not last a lifetime. But for the 20-year kids and pets stretch, nothing handles daily chaos with less drama. Just buy 20 mil or better. We say it every video, the spec is the floor. If you want the toughest, longest-lasting surface on earth, and you do not mind cold feet, tile wins, and it belongs in kitchens, baths, and entries, no matter what else you pick. If you want a floor that adds real resale value and can literally last a lifetime, and you are willing to refinish it once a decade and baby it around water, hardwood is the long game king, exactly like we covered in the resale video. And laminate? Laminate is the one that quietly falls apart. Not because it scratches, it actually resists that well, but because water swells it, chips are permanent, and you can never refinish it back. It is fine in a dry, low-traffic room on a budget, but in a real family home over 20 years, it is the floor most likely to betray you, and it is the one the showroom pushes hardest because the margin is good. Now you know why. Quick tool before you go, because this decides it in the store. The floor verdict material test, 3 questions. 1. Will it meet water in this room, kitchen, bath, basement, entry? If yes, tile or LVP, never laminate, never solid wood. 2. Do you want it to last decades or just this chapter of your life? Decades means tile or hardwood. This chapter means LVP or laminate. 3. Can you live with cold and hard for the toughness? If yes, tile. If no, LVP. Water, lifespan, comfort. Answer those 3 honestly and the right floor picks itself. Now drop it in the comments because everyone reading is deciding this right now. Which of the 4 is in your home? How many years has it lasted? And would you buy it again? Real ownership beats any spec sheet. And subscribe before your next flooring trip, because next time we walk straight into the showroom and expose the sales tricks that get you to overpay, the fake sale that never ends, the good cop, bad cop pricing, and the one add-on you should always say no to. That video will save you money the second you walk in the door. See you there.